Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PayPal security tips to protect your account. So here how it works. Keeping your PayPal account safe starts with a few simple steps. So first, turn on two-factor authentication, which is 2FA. So PayPal asks for a code every time you log in. Use a strong, unique password you don't use anywhere else. Always check that emails really comes from PayPal before clicking any link. Next, review your account activities regularly and turn on instant notification for payment and logins. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for payment and remove old card or bank account you no longer use. These small habits go a long way in keeping your money secure. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more easy security tips, and comment which safety settings you would like to turn on first on your PayPal account. And that's it.